Hello from Slovenia. I have to apologize at first. I'm a little bit more sick than I was on the last video. I just can't go through this cold because kids in the kindergarten are sick too, and I obviously get something, so I will do the third attempt on this. Maybe I should put it that way to see all the beauty. I love this one. This is the first one of my flower dip filled with flower dip with plastic bag filled with air, or I don't know if it's a better word for this. Please tell me in your comments. And this is the second one that I end up with glove keys. And today, just to show you, I will use this zip plastic bag. I didn't fill it much, you see. It's not full. It's, I don't know, halfway full maybe. So I hope that I didn't add too much air, but we will see. I will put my white base first. Whoops, and I have something in here. I just think, how can we do this with plastic bag with different ways, and I will do a series as I told you that I will, and I will try different plastic bags maybe, and different layering, but for this 3 or 4 I will try to use same paints, same colors, so we can see the difference if the colors are the same, because I think that way I can see what difference really makes if I use different things, or I don't know. And today I will layer, I will do just circles of paint today. I will start with this alizarian. This is not a circle, but I'm not good with these shapes, to do like a shape of I don't know. I'm more abstract girl, as you know. This was alizarian violet and cerulean blue, and I will left some white space in between, and I put my metallic white here in this because I think that I will layer it more easier than if I because as I told you already, that I mix my metallic white only with water, not with any pouring medium. And other paints are mixed with my acrylic primer. You can see my mixing, how I mix my paints in video number 64, I think. So you can see how I mix it, how I mix my paints. And Naples yellow in the middle. I hope that I don't have too much white here, so maybe I will go with cerulean blue once more, and I will separate this because I don't want Naples yellow and cerulean blue next to each other. And now my greens. I add too much green for my taste in the second attempt. If you didn't watch my previous attempts with plastic bag, I will put it in my cards. So if you will click on this icon in the upper corner, you will be redirected to my previous videos with this plastic bag technique, and you can compare it if you want. Not necessary, I just tell you. So this is it. I will just for my plastic bag, I put it on the side last time, but on my paints, my paint was run off from it, so I couldn't save it. I hope that I will be able to do it this time, and I don't want to get so much air under my plastic bag, so I will try to put it on the canvas a little more careful than I did it last time. And I will roll a little bit. And just try to grab it, and totally different effect. And I will just but I think that I like it anyway. So because this zip bag is different to lift, so you see we get this effect of not centered flower, but I'll just try to push this a little here to get the center. I have a lot of paint here in the middle, but I hope that this will dry okay. As I already told you, I don't have problems with cracking, so I will just leave it and hope for the best. And of course I will show you the result on the next experiment that I will do with this plastic bag technique. Where is my torch? I lost my torch. Oh no, I have it right here, but I didn't see it. I will just pop these air bubbles and then I will show you the close-up. Maybe I add too much white again. But I was afraid that I will not get enough paint, so I'm still trying to figure out the right amount of base coat and everything else to get as nice as effect as I can. So this is the third attempt, and when we do more of this, I think that I will get to the point that I will know how much white for the base I should add and everything else. But this one is a little strange, but I don't want to mess around, so I will leave it because I don't want to lose other things that I like. So let's take you for a close-up. I think that it is a nice flower, a little different, but still nice. I don't know what you think. I don't know which way I like it the most. Maybe this way, because it looks almost like the petals, these white petals fall down. I don't know. And this is a bag, plastic bag. It's so nice too. I hope that I will be able to save this one. See, I will leave, I don't know what's the word. This lacing is just gorgeous. Air out, and I hope that I will be able to save this one too. So our first third attempt, a little different with this zip bag, or maybe I should fill it with air a little less, but it is kind of nice too, so I will leave it. And we will try again. with maybe a little less white and a little less metallic white. I don't know, maybe. So this was it for today. Have a nice day. Subscribe if you didn't yet. Tell me what you think and see you on the next experiment. Bye.